Welcome guys, if you wonder how to make celebrations on the FIFA 23, right now I'm going to show you all of them. Okay, so at the first we have to go for the customize, next open the settings, and right now we go for the skill moves. Use your right stick. As you can see right now we can find celebrations, so open it, and as you can see right here we have to move with the R2 button and the left 2 button. And when we can find the celebration basics, we can go for the running moves, and then with the R1 and the left one we can take a look for other celebrations, and the same when you go for the last tab. Right here we can find even 7 different selection of the celebration. And yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.